Adventures in Global Travel unveils. Hey, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Adventures in Global Travel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly close to our hearts: solo travel. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, there's something magical about setting off on your own. This isn't just about seeing new places. It's about forging connections and creating memories that last a lifetime. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the magic of solo travel, connections you'll treasure. Let's embark on this journey together. Chapter 1: The Freedom of Solo Travel. Solo travel offers an unparalleled sense of freedom. There's no itinerary to follow, no compromises to make. It's just you and your curiosity, guiding you to wherever your heart desires. This freedom allows you to immerse yourself in the local culture, make spontaneous decisions, and truly experience a place. When you travel solo, you have the luxury of reflecting on your journey. Every moment becomes more vivid, every encounter more meaningful. It's a chance to connect with yourself on a deeper level, understanding your preferences, fears, and aspirations. Chapter 2: Meeting New People. One of the most beautiful aspects of solo travel is the people you meet along the way. Without the comfort of familiar faces, you're more likely to strike up conversations with strangers. These interactions can lead to lifelong friendships and unforgettable stories. In hostels, cafes, and even on public transport, solo travelers often find themselves connecting with fellow adventurers. It's amazing how quickly you can bond over shared experiences, from missed flights to breathtaking views. These connections remind us that, despite our differences, we're all part of a global community. Chapter 3: Embracing Cultural Exchange. Traveling alone allows you to dive deep into the cultural fabric of a destination. When you're on your own, you're more approachable and open to engaging with locals. Whether it's learning to cook a local dish, participating in a traditional ceremony, or simply chatting with a shop owner, these experiences offer a glimpse into the daily lives and customs of the people you meet. These cultural exchanges enrich our understanding of the world and help us appreciate the diversity that makes each place unique. They also teach us to respect and celebrate differences, fostering a sense of global citizenship. Chapter 4: Overcoming Challenges. Solo travel isn't always smooth sailing. There will be challenges and obstacles that test your patience and resilience, but these moments are also opportunities for growth and connection. When you're in a bind, you'll often find that people are willing to lend a helping hand, reinforcing your faith in humanity. Cut to host figuring out a map in a busy street in Tokyo, receiving directions from a passerby. Navigating a foreign place on your own builds confidence and problem-solving skills. Each challenge you overcome adds to your sense of accomplishment and self-reliance. And the kindness of strangers along the way reminds us of the inherent goodness in people. Chapter 5. Rediscovering Yourself. Solo travel is also a journey inward. Away from the distractions of daily life, you have the space to reflect and reconnect with yourself. It's a time to rediscover your passions, rethink your goals, and gain clarity on what truly matters to you. Keeping a travel journal can be a therapeutic exercise. Documenting your experiences, thoughts, and emotions helps you process your journey and capture the essence of each moment. This self-discovery is one of the most rewarding aspects of traveling solo. Chapter 6. The Joy of Spontaneity. Without the constraints of a group itinerary, solo travelers can embrace spontaneity. From joining impromptu street performances to taking a detour to explore a hidden gem, the possibilities are endless. These unplanned moments often turn into the highlights of your trip. Allowing yourself to be spontaneous leads to unexpected adventures and serendipitous encounters. It's a reminder that some of the best experiences in life happen when you least expect them. Chapter 7. Building Lasting Memories. The memories you create during solo travel are truly special. Each place you visit and each person you meet becomes a part of your story. These memories are more than just photographs. They're the feelings, lessons, and connections that stay with you long after the journey ends. Saying goodbye is never easy, but it's also a reminder of the incredible experiences you've had and the people who have touched your life. These connections, though fleeting, leave a lasting impact, making solo travel a deeply enriching experience. Chapter 8. Tips for Solo Travelers. Now that we've explored the magic of solo travel, let's talk about some practical tips to help you on your journey. 1. Plan ahead. Research your destination, book accommodations in advance, and have a rough itinerary. While spontaneity is great, a little planning ensures you have a safe and enjoyable trip. 2. Stay connected. Keep in touch with family and friends. Share your itinerary and check in regularly. It's important to have a support system back home. 3. Pack light. When traveling solo, it's easier to manage a light backpack or suitcase. Pack essentials and versatile clothing that you can mix and match. 4. Stay safe. Be aware of your surroundings, trust your instincts, and avoid risky situations. Keep copies of important documents and have a backup plan in case of emergencies. 5. Be open. Embrace new experiences and be open to meeting people. Join group tours, stay in social accommodations, and participate in local activities to enhance your travel experience. Solo travel is a journey of discovery, not just of the world, but of yourself. It's about the freedom to explore, the courage to connect, and the joy of creating memories that you'll treasure forever. Whether you're exploring a new city or hiking a remote trail, the magic of solo travel lies in the connections you make and the stories you gather along the way. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your own solo travel experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and embrace the magic of solo travel. Remember, the magic of solo travel is in the journey itself. Embrace the unknown, cherish the connections, and create stories that you'll treasure forever. Safe travels!